All right, everyone, welcome back. We're going to show you how to avoid having to have major component replaced on your car, which is a rear transfer case, rear differential, and it's very similar to a transfer case. And how do you avoid having to have it replaced? Tell them, Jude. Having a good skilled mechanic advising you the proper maintenance sooner than what the manufacturer recommends. So if you were tuned in yesterday, the warranty company came out and made me jump through all these hoops, and then he was like, oh, it's leaking. That's just what I wanted to see. I'm like, sir, I don't consider that leaking. He's like, oh no, it's leaking. I'm like, okay.
It is leaking because there's fluid that was supposed to be internal to this outside.
That's not leaking.
It's not bad.
It's not leaking.
It's not dripping.
And then he made me try to drain the fluid out of it, and we really couldn't find a drain hole here. And I didn't want to mess around with anything because this job really wasn't approved at that time. So I stuck a zip tie in there, pulled some fluid out, and he's like, oh, that's exactly what I wanted to see. And then when I pulled the nut out first, it was full of materials. Every transmission almost and every differential or transfer case is going to have metal fibers in it. But how do you avoid this? Changing the fluid sooner than later. There's not much fluid in here. It doesn't last 60, 80, 100,000 miles. This car doesn't even have 90,000 miles on it, and this is completely grenaded. This part used, guess how much this part was?
$2,000 our cost.
$1,700 used. And the dealership is a 3-week back order right now.
Our cost.
$1,700 cost for a used differential for this car. And you know how this customer could have, and the warranty company and everyone could have avoided all this? Changing the fluid 20 or 30,000 miles. Not that much to ask. You spend more on beer, wine, cigarettes, and weed, and probably gambling than you put into your car.
Actually, no, I put way more money into my car.
You pay way more. You pay way more money into your cars. We put way more money into our cars. But this is about how can you avoid this? Every 20 or 30,000 miles, change the fluid that's in these teeny tiny differentials and transfer cases, and find a good mechanic that's going to advise you. This one's got seepage too, and this holds less than half a quart. We told the warranty company. Look at this. Told the warranty company, like, hey, I don't know if this is bad too, but we need to get that fixed. So that's how you avoid catastrophic failure and major expenses. Crazy.